Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Sharan here. I am a trader by profession. I am going to talk about Bank Nifty. All right, here you can see here we are going to talk about Bank Nifty. We're going to look at analysis, what has happened on Friday, and based on that, we'll also look into certain important data points here, and then finally take our levels where we can take our trades tomorrow on Monday, right, which is on 9th of May. All right, let's not waste more time. Let's get straight away into the action. Now, before I show you the chart patterns and everything, I would like to show you certain concept. All right, say for example, if the price is here, all right, the price is at this level now, and there is a bad news in the market or probably international news which happened on Friday for us. Basically, there was an interest rate hike in the international market, that is US market, and then we had that after effects in India as well. Now, what happened on Friday was the price straight away gapped down and opened at this level, right? Now, if the price or if this particular news was going to affect India very badly, you would have seen that there would have been a continuous fall down, or even for that matter consolidated certain level and then again tried to move downside. But eventually, unfortunately, what happened was after this gap, the price stood at this level, tried to go back, and then when it tried to move down, right, it got a huge amount of support at this level, right? At this level, I'm going to show you the candle as well. Huge green candle indicating straight away, suggesting there is a huge number of buyers in this particular level. Now we'll also go and check this with volume profile and other things, right? So here this was the gap opening level, so there was a lot of short sellers here sitting in this market, so they wanted to ensure that their positions are covered, so they shorted again. And since the price did not go down this time, you saw that there was a number of buyers getting into the market, that we will confirm or we will check with OI as well, right? So now if you see here, basically this is a level that has been created, correct? This is a support level, which I'll also call it as demand level as of now. All right, and then we have a resistance at this level. Now I'm also going to go into the live charts and show you certain things, but before that, let's have this, right? How do you take a trade based on this range? I will show you on the trading view chart itself. All right, let's go straight away. I'm going to delete this and we'll add the charts. Okay, now here you see this particular thing. Bank Nifty opened all the way down, gap down, went down. Here there was a buying scenario. All right, so the buying scenario happened here, the price went up, right? Now look at this second time when it came down to the same level. Look at the green candle suggesting there is a huge number of buyers, this particular area also, right? So here there is a high chance a lot of buyers would have entered the market. Here is the resistance where the prices started coming down, right? This is what has happened in the market as of now. Now how do you take a trade? We will draw lines. First of all, straight away we'll mark this. We have a resistance, we have a support level, right? Now this is kind of a support level. I'm going to mark this is in a trading range that has been created in the market now. All right, now how do you take a trade? Basically, if the markets are opening here, right, which is not a gap up opening or gap down, it opens flat tomorrow. If we see that the market opens flat, we will wait for the prices to either cross this level to enter a long side, or we will wait for the prices to move on the downside to take a short entry. Now please ensure that whenever it is going on a downside, there has to be a good volume candle. Okay, because we have seen there is a good amount of demand that has come here. We want a good candle that suggests that the sellers are in the market, right? Only then we will enter this particular stock. The first this is a huge target, but yes, this will be our target levels in the coming session, in 1 or 2 session, if the prices sustains about 34,800 levels, right? Only then we will look for, say, 35,200 levels are target price, right? Now what are the other opportunities? Is there any other opportunities in this market? Yes, I feel there are other opportunities also, or if probably if the price opens somewhere else, right? Now you always have seen that prices keep moving here and there, so we'll just confirm that if there is anything like that, how do we take a trade? Before that, I'll just take you to Bank Nifty. 1 second. Futures. All right, control Z. I'm going to also check my volume profile to understand whether there is some kind of buying happening or what is the point of control where most of the buyers are sitting. This is what we will do. We will go and check this particular thing at 35,600, right? Around this level, 35,600 to 35,400 is where I see a lot of action happening here. Look at this and these two candles, right? So there is a huge amount of action happening around. We will check that. We will confirm that with open interest as well. Let's go and check with open interest Banknifty. All right. Now here, if you see Banknifty, I have current 34,500. There is a lot of put writings at this particular level, right? And there is some increment here also. And moreover, 34,000 level, 34,200, which is here, 34,200, 34,000. All these levels are very, very positive. Markets are very positive at these levels. So tomorrow, if the price has to break this level, it has to be really, really strong to take the markets down, right? Now, 34,600 is our 34,500, correct? Now, 34,500 and 600, which is around this level, right? Which is exactly around here, right? At these levels itself, the price should have a good momentum before it wants to go up, right? If there is any opening above this 35,500 and 600, we will look forward to a buying opportunity here. Correct. We'll also see open change in open interest. There has been a calls writing and put writing both on the 34,500 and 600 levels. Now, if we see anything happening here above this level, this might drastically change tomorrow. All right. Now, having said that, this is the kind of setup that is already there. Now, I'm also going to say let's assume tomorrow the prices opens a gap down. Okay. First of all, if there is a gap down, be very sure if you want to take a short trade, because there is a lot of writing or put writings around this level, right? Very positive in the market. So it has to be really strong confirmation for us to take a short trade tomorrow, right? Now, if the prices opens straight away somewhere here, right? So our first objective will be to see whether this resistance, which is around 34,800, is tested, and then forward after that we will take into any action. If the prices comes back into this region, right? If the prices comes back into this region, we will wait and not take any trade. So this is going to be our no trade zone between 34,500 and 600 levels. Okay, strong levels. We are not going to take any trade, because if we are going to take any trade between this level, I'll tell you what will happen. Eventually, you will see that there is going to be a lot of ups and downs in the market, and it's going to irritate a lot, right? It's just going to be like this, because these two levels as seen on the open interest are very strong here, right? So you will have a tough time taking a profit out of the market, right? So that's the reason we are very sure that if the prices only crosses 34,800, we will look forward to buying, and if the prices goes below this, we will be a little skeptical, see the open interest charts and everything, and then only take a trade, right? This is all about Banknifty. I hope you have understood and you have liked the way I am able to kind of explain. If yes, please do like, share and comment with this particular video and share amongst your friend, looking towards your kind of, yeah, I don't know, it would be a great gesture from your side to do that. I'll be very thankful to you for that. All right. Thank you so much, and we will see you in the next session. All right. Bye. Take care. Good night.